Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday to all of you. Today I'm going to share my beach ready bag with you. So all the products that I would love to use for a beach day, I have kept it in this bag. So let's just get started. These are my grab and go kind of products that I have been enjoying. Couple of products I've been testing out and couple of products are my staples. So let's just show you the products. If you have checked my Instagram account, I have posted a video. I have posted a picture and it clearly shows everything that I have kept in this bag. But I'm going to tell you more about the products. So stay tuned and of course check the Instagram profile too. somaroy.chaudhary at Instagram. Yeah. So the first product that I want to talk about today is my Huda Beauty Glowish. Last time when I posted the video, it was my first impression. I was liking the product, but the trick that I am using these days, that way it is even better on my skin. So I'm going to show you that, and if you like that, go for it. And if you just like it on your skin just like that, that's up to you, your choice. But I'm going to stick to that because that's how I created this whole look today and I'm loving my skin. So what I did last time, I applied moisturizer and on top of that I applied this foundation and used brush or maybe finger because most of the time I use my fingertips to apply foundation on me. That way I get the sheared out effect, which I love. So today I'm going to show you the way that I love to use this product because that way it gets diluted even more and I love that effect on myself. So what I do is, rather than putting the layer on, mix and match. This is my Belif moisturizer, Aqua Bomb, and I love to use it because it feels like water and it moisturizes properly. So I just love it. So what I'm going to do is, I just take a little bit of this and with that I'll mix Huda Beauty's Glowish. And I'm going to show you on this side of my hand. It just goes very smoothly, very easily, and it doesn't feel like anything, but it adds the glow back to my skin. If you can just see the difference, it is just giving you that perfect summer glow. And the shimmers are so micro that you hardly can detect any shimmer in it, but the impact is super beautiful. And that's why I just love to use it that way. And sometimes, actually not sometimes, whenever I'm using this product, and especially if I'm going for a beach out, I would definitely do that. This moisturizer, you know, I love Bioderma moisturizer. So with that, I just mix this a bit and it gives me that beautiful golden lovely look. So that is my tip. If you want to try this way, yay, let me know on the comment section. Did you like it that way? Because I'm really loving it. The effect on my skin paired with the moisturizer, I like it even more. So definitely a yes to this product because it is such a nice multitasking product. It is giving me healthy glow on my face, on my legs, on my hands. I can just play with this. It is so easy to mix and match with moisturizers, with the foundations that I already have in my collection. So I am really pleased with it. And two more points that I was talking about in my last video. If you haven't checked that out, please check that out because I have talked a lot about the ingredients and those ingredients are really good for your skin. And of course you have to test it out. Go for a patch test and test it out. If your skin is loving it, definitely go for it. My skin is loving this product. The other 2 points, sweat proof, waterproof. So today I did not plan to do so, but I'm very happy that it happened. I went for a walk and while I was coming back, it was raining. Not drizzling, raining. And I was wearing this because every morning that has got, it's a routine for me. I just want to go for this one. Plus, I mix it with my moisturizer sometimes. Sometimes I mix it with my It Cosmetics CC cream and a little bit of SPF. So all that mixed in together gives me a nice, beautiful skin. And I feel very happy about the whole. While I was coming back, it was raining. But when I came back and I saw my skin, it was just like I freshly applied this product. So amazed on that. I did not plan to do so, but thankfully I could test it in that weather condition as well. I used it almost every day ever since I got this product. So sometimes it is humid, sometimes it is hot but not humid, and sometimes it's like rainy, cloudy. Where I live, I get to test the product in almost every kind of weather condition. I don't feel sweaty when I put this on, and of course it is waterproof. So if you are someone who loves to swim, you may want to check it out, because this is going to give you that beautiful glowy skin while you are enjoying the water play. That's about Huda Beauty. And now I'm going to talk about a couple of other products that I am really excited about. So a sneak peek of a palette that I have been longing for, but I don't know why didn't I go for it. Maybe because I was playing with other palettes. You know, I love Viseart palettes and I keep trying from Viseart palettes, and most of the time I shop at Sephora Canada. So the palettes that are available there, I just pick and choose from that, you know, collection. This is the palette, the Warm Edit. It is really a very exciting and special palette to me, and I can't wait to create couple of nice smoky, summer smoky eyes with this palette, because it has got all the beautiful summer shades. And in fact, if you take a look around the shade range, it will get you covered in fall as well. So yeah, so that's about it today. And definitely I'm going to go for a first impression and demo on Monday, because this palette is new to me and I knew it that I would love the whole color story, because it is so connecting with me. I already got a favorite shade in this palette, and there is a mischievous shade too. I will tell you about it. Yeah, I already created a look with that particular shade, which I had to handle with care, and it worked beautifully. But I think when I actually post my demo, you would see me actually wearing that shade and working with that shade, and it would give me a nice, beautiful sunset vibe. Yeah. So yesterday I was playing around with this palette, and I was literally, it was not a surprise because I knew the shadow quality, but how handy, how cute this palette is, and all the beautiful shades are there. And if I can just say that the gold, this is again a beautiful shade of gold, because I am really into Viseart gold shimmers. In Petite Pro 1, Viseart has a beautiful gold. I love that gold. And this one, oh my god, this is like that burnt gold kind of shade, which would absolutely be pleasing on anyone, seriously. So I just want to play around with this palette, and of course you will get to see more looks on Instagram, and I will post my first impression on Monday. So stay tuned, come back and subscribe to the channel. Of course, hit the bell button so that you get notified. And I'm seriously, I just want to create more looks. Today I just used two shades, this one, and the glow that you are seeing on my lid, that is coming from, yeah, if you guessed and if you checked my last video, you would know. That's coming from this Magic Stick Caviar Stick from Laura Mercier Rose Gold collection. Kiss from a Rose. I am in love with the shade. I am in love with this product. I'm so surprised that it stayed forever on my lid. And I did not want to take off my makeup at the end of the day because the eyelids were still looking so beautiful and fresh. So on a beachy day, when you want to go out, when you want to have fun, you want something like that, right? Which would stay put and which would be very handy, easy to apply, and of course, stunning. I can use it in so many ways. And if you remember, I was talking about this, that I don't know whether I would be able to mix and match this stick with some powder shadows. Well, I tried that. I posted pictures on Instagram. I used it with Viseart Petite Pro 3, the plummy shades, and it went on those beautiful buttery shades beautifully. No clash at all, no patchiness, no clinginess. Everything was beautiful. I intentionally applied the powder shades first and then I went ahead with this one. This is like a very beautiful, so nice that it just went on smoothly and it just meshed with the powder shadows. So no clashes at all, and I could work around and do a lot of things with this beautiful stick. So a very nice investment, and I am really loving it, loving everything about it. So that's done. Now actually three more products that I would always keep handy whenever I want to go out, and especially when I'm going for a nice beachy experience. My Tower 28 Bronzino on Huda Beauty Glowish. I just love to apply this product with my fingers, and I could do that again. And it doesn't take any mirror also, just a little bit of that and just gives extra glow. I just love glow, glow, glow. So yeah. And I did not set my face with any powder today because I just didn't want to lose any glow that I'm getting from Huda Beauty Glowish and I'm getting from that beautiful Tower 28 Bronzino. So that is there. How easy is it? And guys, if you remember, I talked about it a little. I bought this product in the month of May, and I think I got it on the last day. Yeah. So I was telling you that it is quite handy. Let's see how it goes. Well, it goes beautifully, smoothly, no tug, no pull, and very easy. It's a good sketch pen. So you can sketch your brows, you can go lightly, you can go heavy-handedly, but still it will give you a nice natural finish. So I'm loving this product. Super handy, super cute, super effective, impactful brow pencil. By the time we end this month, I would have a lot of favorites, but these are my beach specific favorites. And last but not least, if you already know this product, I actually am hoping that you would know about this product because it's a very popular one. This is my Giorgio Armani Lip Magnet, and it is a beautiful shade 400. Special connection to this shade because it is a universal red. And even if you are not a red lipstick person, if you want to give it a try, I think you would find it interesting because it is a very beautiful shade and it has got that secret brick red element to it. Something about this red, it is very hard to pinpoint, but something about this red that every time I put it on, I just feel that beautiful experience with the whole lip color, with the whole vibe. The applicator is super easy, stays put, comfortable on the lips, so everything that I would want on a beachy day when I do not want to do much about makeup, and of course I do not want to think much about what's happening around my lips. So yeah, let me put this on because I just love this color so much, and the ease and the effect, both. I love to take my moment with this. It has got that perfect, I sometimes I feel that it's burnt orange, sometimes I feel it's brick red. I think it depends on my skin tone. So right now I have got color, and I am loving it because, you know, I just love to head out and enjoy sunshine. So that is something. It's really beautiful. It goes on very easily, and it just flatters the whole skin tone in summertime, and I think I can go for this shade throughout the year. So that's about it. Those are my, I think, 1 2 yeah, 6 products. And last but not least, this is always handy, MAC Fix Plus. I can just be with it forever. So on that note, I'm heading to beach virtually, and yeah, so it was fun to create this video. I hope you like it, and of course you will share some thoughts with me on the comment section, so that I can, you know, share some beachy vibe with all of you out there, beauty lovers. So on that note, so my saying bye to you, have a fun weekend and enjoy the sunshine. Yeah, see you, happy summer.